Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today's videos guys, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-sign up ng ating Google Adsense. Please watch until the end of this videos guys. Guys, pumunta tayo sa Google Chrome. I-click po natin yan guys. Pagkatapos guys, i-search po natin yung Google Adsense. Google Adsense. Pagkatapos guys, i-click po natin ito guys. Google Adsense sign up. I-click po natin yan guys. Pagkatapos guys, i-click po natin ito guys, sign up for Google Adsense. Ito guys, i-click po natin yan guys. Pagkatapos guys, i-click po natin sign up for Adsense. Ito guys, i-click mo lang yan guys. Pagkatapos guys, pumili tayo ng account guys. Sa akin guys, I choose this guys, first account. Pagkatapos guys, at mag-answer ng yes or no, and anong country or territory. Ilagay mo dito guys kung anong YouTube channel nyo guys or yung website ng channel nyo guys. Pagkatapos guys, i-click mo lang yung yes and country or territory guys, kung saan kayo guys. Ako guys, nasa Pilipinas ako guys. Pagkatapos guys, may terms and condition po ang Google Adsense guys. Pwede ninyo ito basahin guys. Pagkatapos yung terms and condition ng Google Adsense guys, i-click mo lang yung I have read and accept the agreement. Ito guys, lagyan mo ng check. Click mo lang yan guys. Pagkatapos guys, i-click mo ito guys, start using Adsense. Pagkatapos guys, kailangan nyo ito fill upan guys. Ito po natin mo lang yan guys. Fill up kayo dito guys. Dapat guys, yung true name nyo guys, at saka yung exact address guys. Kasi ang Google Adsense guys, yan po kung ano ang nasa address na nilagay nyo guys, dyan po i-deliver yung Google Adsense pin nyo guys.
Pagkatapos guys,
kapag tapos na kayo mag-fill up ng form guys, sa information na to guys, click lang ito guys, submit. Connect your site to Adsense. Pagkatapos guys, i-click na ito guys, request review. Pagkatapos guys, i-click mo ito guys, see how ads look on your site. Click mo lang explore. Pagkatapos guys, i-click mo ito guys, dapat naka-on siya guys para automatic. Yan, para automatic yung ads guys sa Google. Pagkatapos guys, i-click mo ito guys, apply to site. Pagkatapos guys, click mo lang save. So yun na yun guys, sana may natutunan kayo guys. Thank you for watching guys. Shout out to Chef Boy Rugs Cooking.